Somebody insists on being in this video. Do you want to help me film? You guys are always asking me, what are some absolute must-have, beginner-friendly spiritual tools that you should have in your collection? Today, I'm going to share with you my top favorite things that you should have in your collection as you're starting your spiritual journey. So let's do the thing. Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. If you guys are new here, my name is Taylluna and welcome to our spirituality channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Make sure to subscribe down below if you want to be notified every time I share a video. Today I wanted to talk more about spiritual tools with you guys. I want to make this very beginner friendly. There are so many spiritual tools for every little possible thing out there. It can get really overwhelming and it can get really expensive. So I want to make sure that you guys know the tea. So today we are going to be unboxing a Mindful Souls box together, and I'm really excited to do this, and I thought this would be absolutely perfect for this video because as a beginner things can get really overwhelming and really expensive when you're trying to pick out your first few spiritual tools if you don't know what you're looking for, and having a spiritual subscription box is kind of a super easy way to begin your collection of tools. I'm going to be also giving away one of these Mindful Souls box to you guys. I'm going to tell you how you can enter to win your very own free box at the very end, so stay tuned. But let's dive in to all of the magic. I'm really excited. I haven't done an unboxing in so long, so let's do it! When we open her up, dun dun dun! This is what we see. On the back of this there is a breakdown of all of the items, and I want to make it a surprise, so we'll read that later. And then there's also a little card right here, Mindful Souls. It says, affirmation for creativity. My unique and creative talents and abilities flow through me. And I love this because I am like living in this creative flow right now in my life, so I will definitely be using this. I might even throw it in my Taylluna planner. You know, I love that. Also a sticker. I'm obsessed with stickers. I have a couple on the back of my phone and a ton on my laptop, so I will be using this as well. The first thing that we see is a really gorgeous Dreamcatcher keychain. I am a huge Dreamcatcher person. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you've probably seen my huge Dreamcatcher walls where I just filled my entire wall with Dreamcatchers in my old room tours. But yeah, the obsession hasn't stopped. I've just tried to dial it down a little bit, you know, adulting. It has two little keychain pieces so you can stick it on your keys or you can hang it on your wall, whatever you want to do with it. I love this. You guys know I love Dreamcatchers, so instant win for me. The next thing we have back here. Oh, I love this. It's a fragrance oil in the scent Rosemary. This looks like just a fragrance oil. This is perfect for using in your diffuser. This isn't the kind of oil that you want to ingest or put on your body, but oh, it smells really good and really fresh and clean. I love this, so I will absolutely be using this in my diffuser that's right there. It's nice to get oils like this because you can kind of connect with one oil at a time and really diffuse it and get to know its benefits before you like introduce a bunch of other oils into your collection. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one. Ooh, a little jewelry piece. Oh, this is so cute. This is a beautiful lotus necklace here. I love this. I love my little spiritual jewelry. I'm wearing a citrine and some seashells I thrifted. Let's see what else. We'll grab this one next. Also, all of the packaging so far is paper and recyclable, so 10 out of 10 for me. You guys know how important that is to me. Ooh. 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 You guys. Oh my god. Holy crap. This is beautiful. Okay, this is like the juiciest, most beautiful and vibrant amethyst piece ever, and it's on a necklace. I keep doing the beauty guru thing just because I want you to like appreciate it, but wow, this is gorgeous, you guys. It's on an adjustable cord so you can make it bigger or smaller. I might have to wear this like immediately, you know? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I have clearly way too many necklaces on, but wow. Okay, let's move on. I don't, now I'm like, ah! It's like Christmas, you know what I mean? Okay. So let's pick another little baggie. Oh, I love this box, you guys. Okay, this is gorgeous. Comes with like a gold elephant charm on it. Oh, these are so beautiful, and there's some lava stones, so you can actually use essential oils on those and just wear your oils all day long. That's gorgeous, and that's great because gold is my color. I don't have my rings on today, but I always wear gold, so this is perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love all the jewelry. We have another little baby here. Oh yes. Oh yes. This is a gorgeous rose quartz, I almost said sphere. Wow. Point, you could just say, you know, tower, if you will. This is gorgeous. I love stuff like this so much. I also sometimes use these as ring holders, which is like a good way to charge up your jewelry. So I am super, super excited about this baby. Oh, look at this cute little Buddha. Oh, he's really cute. Oh my god, he is so freaking cute, you guys. He's going right on my altar. I'm obsessed. It's the little things, you know what I'm saying? I'm also doing a lot of sacred space videos coming up soon, so this is a really good sight element that you would want to have on your altar. Alright, let's make sure I'm not missing anything. I think we got everything. So let's run through the card really quickly. So at the very top of the list, we have the pendulum amethyst necklace. Wear this to encourage selflessness, spiritual wisdom, promoting love. It helps you feel less scattered mentally. Amethyst has an abundance of beautiful properties, so I think this is perfect to put in a box because it can resonate with absolutely anybody. This is actually white turquoise. It is a stone of strength, fire, passion, and courage that brings stability throughout changes in your life. Oh wow. I got lots of changes going on. That's perfect. Then we have our rosemary fragrance oil, considered sacred. Rosemary is one of the most powerful herbs on the planet to improve memory, relieve muscle aches and pains. Then we have the lotus flower necklace. To blossom in the sun, the lotus flower must first grow through thick mud, a phenomenon that may serve as a moving metaphor for our own spiritual paths. If you guys have heard no mud, no lotus, it's like one of the very first principles, I guess, when I was diving into my spiritual journey, so I love, love, love this so much. Next, we have our pointer crystal, is what they call it on the card. Stone of the heart, a crystal of unconditional love and infinite peace. It is most important crystal for the heart and the heart chakra, teaching the true essence of love. So then we have the dream catcher. It is said that dream catchers caught any harm that might be in the air. As a spider's web, it catches and holds whatever comes in contact with it. So hang it or wear it. Dream catchers are things that bring in positivity in life and peace to your mind. I love these. You guys already know that. I don't have to explain that anymore. And then lastly, we have the Serenity Buddha figure. This figurine is for people who are either looking for peace and calm in their lives or for those who wish to improve their own meditation skills. The silhouette of the figurine is shaped more or less like a triangle, which represents stability. Some beginner must-haves for your spiritual collection, if you will, your spiritual tool collection. I would absolutely recommend starting with a pointer crystal. This is something that's going to do so many things for you in your practice. I love to use them as ring holders for my rings. You could even put your bracelets or necklaces around it and just kind of lay them there. It's a great way to charge up all of your pieces and just kind of give yourself a loving energy when you wear your jewelry. I love having them in my sacred space. The energy is always kind of going up and out, so these are something that you want to cleanse and charge regularly, which we'll do more videos about that soon. And you can also use pieces like this to activate your crystal grids, to draw all of the energy together into, you know, one source and set your intention that way. So these have so many uses. I love, love, love these, and I think it's an amazing piece to grab as a beginner. If you are one to want to dive into the world of essential oils, make sure you pick up one essential oil at a time. Really get to know all about it, all of its benefits. First of all, please make sure you're doing your research. I don't want you guys improperly ingesting these oils. They are not meant for that. They have beautiful benefits when you use them and diffuse them. But this is not something that you want to put in your body or put on your body. I just want you to keep that in mind. But they absolutely are so beautiful when you diffuse them in your space. It sets this beautiful tone in your space and it smells so good. Really feel it out. You want to get to know each of your spiritual tools. That's kind of the whole point of this. You want to have a really deep connection and relationship almost with these tools so that they support you on your journey and you know exactly what you can go to when you're experiencing different things in your life. So I'm really excited to get better acquainted with this rosemary oil here. Another oil that I really love is lavender oil. It's something that many people know and love, and you should too. And peppermint oil is beautiful. It is a lifesaver for me. I always have headaches and cramping problems, so peppermint oil is great for stuff like that. And lastly, the thing that I recommend that you have is some sort of statue or being in your space. Now, you don't have to go and get a Buddha statue. You can go and get a statue of whatever or whoever you practice with in your daily life. Spirituality does not kind of confine you to only these deities or only these beings. It's whoever feels good to you. I, respect and pray to and communicate with many different deities and beings, and I want to make it very abundantly clear that you don't have to sit here and pray to the same gods that I pray to. It's whatever feels good for you, whoever calls you. Bring them into your space in any way that you can. Or if you're just beginning to work with a deity, maybe printing out a photo would be better to really just get their energy in your space and see how you work with it before you bring in statues of that being. And just be mindful. So make sure that you are doing research. You know what is respectful and what is not acceptable, because some of those things aren't very black and white, and it's our job to do the research as spiritual people on this journey. So I just want to make that very clear. I'm not trying to freak you out or shame you. I just want everyone to be doing their work in the best, most lighthearted way and be coming at this with nothing but pure love and acceptance. I don't want to offend anybody. I don't want any of that. So please just do your research. If that's not something that you work with, print out a picture of the sky or the universe, or whatever floats your boat. You know what I mean? So thank you so much to Mindful Souls for sending this box over. If you want to win a box of your own from Mindful Souls, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow myself on Instagram. I will leave them linked down below, and just leave a comment below this video telling me your favorite way to use your spiritual tools, or if you haven't gotten any spiritual tools yet, what are you going to do with them when you receive them? Decorate with them and put them on your altar? Are you going to do a ritual with them? And make sure in your comment down below that you leave your Instagram handle so I can reach out to the winner. I cannot reach out to you via YouTube, so I need to be able to contact you. So make sure you don't forget to leave your Instagram handle, so if you win, I can shoot you a message and get your box sent to you. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Did you guys know that I'm excited? Good luck. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and subscribe down below if you don't want to miss any more videos from me. All sorts of spiritual hippie things going on over here, so don't miss out. We would love to have you. And until next time, you guys, I love you to the moon and back. I will see you in a couple days.